Class 9, this is the another practical. I'm showing it to you. The effect of heat. We have to recognize that we have to find out that which gas is involved. So I have taken a substance. This is of white color. This is what? This is dilute sulfuric acid. I'm going to add this dilute sulfuric acid in this. This is the addition of dilute sulfuric acid to a given substance, not the effect of heat, but it is the effect of addition of dilute sulfuric acid to an unknown given substance. This is the white unknown substance, and I'm going to add this sulfuric acid in it, and then I will put this thing over here and I will pass it through the lime water. The gas evolved. This is the lime water, and this is lime water. So I'm taking out a small amount of lime water so that I can pass the gas to the lime water. Let's see that the gas which is evolving out has what effect on this. So I'm adding this thing over here. Now see the effervescence, you can see a lot of bubbles are coming out, and then I'm going to heat it and I will pass this the gas coming out through the lime water this way. So when we add sulfuric acid, then the lot of effervescence, it means are formed. It means that some gas has evolved. I must add a few more sulfuric acid because it is showing no result on passing it through the this thing. Now let's see that you can see the bubbles over here. It means the gas coming out is entering into this lime water solution. I'll add few more sulfuric acid into it.
Lime water, this will solve it.
This is not giving this reaction. Might be the lime water is to be freshly made. This lime water will turn milky, and when paper dipped in acidified potassium permanganate, this is of pink color. I have dipped this paper, it is pink, showing pink. So this is going to declarize, See, again it has become white. This is sulfur dioxide. This test will not be shown by the carbon dioxide. I will show you once again. The lime water has not turned milky, but another test I am showing it to you, that acidified potassium permanganate. This is acidified potassium permanganate. It is of purple color. See, it is of purple color. And when I brought it near the mouth of the test tube, I should hold the test tube with this thing, the test tube holder. This is wrong practice. See, again it has become white. So this is which gas? This is sulfur dioxide. So when we added acid to a compound, then a gas released turned lime water milky, and when a paper dipped in acidified potassium permanganate is brought near the mouth of the test tube, so it has decolorized. So this is sulfur dioxide gas. This test is not going to be shown by the carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas is not going to, that carbon dioxide gas also turns lime water milky, but it is not going to decolorize the potassium permanganate paper.